Welcome to another video. Hi guys, my name is Katie if you do not know, and today's video I'm going to take you on a weekend of my life where I am going to be going out of town. I'm hoping to get some book shopping in. I think most of the bookstores that are on the way down or the way up are Barnes & Noble, but I always love looking around, so hopefully I can do some of that today. I don't know timing wise. And I just wanted to take you on a weekend in my life. I am taking a little break from my work, even though I'm doing a little bit right now. I'm trying to transfer some things from my big computer to my laptop, so when I am out of town, just in case I have one client that might send me edits, so I'm going to transfer it to my laptop. I just want to make sure that it's ready and my arm is going to fall off. In this vlog, you should expect some driving situations, probably with my iPhone or bookstores, and hopefully I'm going to go to Color Me Mine tomorrow to paint some pottery. Yeah, I'm headed to the Bay Area, so like San Francisco area. 3 hours to drive. Not that bad. We can do this. I just did my hair and now it looks like I have no hair. Let's ignore that. But I am waiting for these folders to transfer over so I can leave. But I wanted to show you, I just got this in the mail, or UPS just dropped it off. So please wait till the end of this video. I'm going to open that up when I get home on Sunday. I'm so excited about that. It's the only book subscription that I have now because I had like 4 and I was getting way too many books that I probably won't read. Super cute, but I'm almost there, and I listened to The Wall of Winnipeg the whole time on the drive, minus some Taylor Swift. I'm almost there. I didn't get to go to a Barnes & Noble because I got stuck in like a bunch of traffic and I didn't really want to sit in more traffic. I have made it to my destination. How pretty. I gotta put my sweater. To Barnes & Noble now. I just went to Half Price Books, but I didn't see anything I wanted. They did have a really nice selection. I don't get to go to like Barnes & Noble very often, so I'm gonna go, and then I have a 3-hour drive home and I need to get gas, and I have nowhere, I don't know where to get gas because gas here is $5 a gallon. Like, can you believe that? I'm gonna start driving to Barnes & Noble. Hopefully I find a gas station on the way, and then I am gonna drive home. Okay, I finally made it to Barnes & Noble and I got gas, so we're on the right track here, people. But I'm gonna go in. I don't really have like anything I want right now because I'm obsessed with my Kindle Unlimited, of course, but you know, it's fun to just like look around and do something different. So yeah, let's go into Barnes & Noble.
And then we're going to rise above this.
I'm sorry, the lighting is like through my plants, so I'll have to deal with that. But I made it home, and I probably will show you guys the books that I got from Barnes & Noble and my reveal book box in the next couple clips. I am actually going to go to a sauna right now to like detox from this weekend because I had much more wine than I was anticipating. So I'm gonna go do that, and then you should definitely see two kind of book hauls. I just got 2 books from Barnes & Noble, didn't get anything from half-priced books, and then my exciting book box. The last reveal book box that I got It Happened One Summer by Tessa Bailey in it, which was super exciting, even though I'm listening to it on an audiobook. But it's right here. She's right here. So anyways, I will be using my camera for the next, but I left it in the car. But yeah, that's just a little update. Made it home safe. Now I'm gonna go to a sauna and sweat everything off my body. Hey guys, I am back from my little trip over the weekend, and I wanted to show you the couple books that I got, as well as what I promised at the beginning to open this reveal book box. I'm a little sleepy today and I'm trying to get some work done, and my brain just like cannot compute. I just don't know what happened. I'm just so tired. So I'm trying to do the best that I can, and that's what we can do around here, you know? So as you saw, I went to Half Price Books and Barnes & Noble, and there was nothing that I wanted at Half Price Books. I don't really have a big want list right now, at least for physical books. So I didn't get anything there, but I did go to Barnes & Noble. While I was there, like somebody stole some books and there was like a bunch of policemen there. But I picked up, this is really random, but I picked up the 4 Agreements. I'm sure I could have found this somewhere cheaper. I didn't do that. And this is like a self-help personal growth book about the 4 Agreements. It's a powerful code of conduct that can my brain is not here today, people. Powerful code of conduct that can rapidly transform our lives to a new experience of freedom, true happiness, and love. Aren't we all looking for that? So somebody suggested I should read this, so I got that. And of course, I have to keep up my collection of Colleen Hoover, and I bought Slammed. This is the first book in the Slammed series. I don't even know what it's about. It has kind of a funny cover. Like, I'm sure these things mean something when you read the book. It's like a little butterfly. So I'm excited to read that. I'm going to put that on my shelf. And let us open this box here. For some reason today, I just cannot breathe. It's like my anxiety is up the wall. It's like Monday and I have a lot of emails to take care of, but I'm like also have zero energy. You know, normal complaints of my life. Let us open it. So it comes like this with a little sticker that says single taken or mentally dating a fictional character, check mark, always. Okay, so we have a little magnet, we have candy, we have our bookmarks. I don't know if people care about like what's on the bookmarks in these little situations, but that's what I got. And then they always have like a bigger, oh, that's an interesting picture. They always have like a bigger ad. So we have this. Cute. It's like a stomach and hips. And then I got a little candle. I actually have one of these soy candles that I've been burning. So another little tea light. And I got a chapstick with SL Sterling on it. You can't see that because my camera will not focus, but there's that. And of course, we got a pen. And this pen is so nice. It's rose gold from Althea Roming. Not sure who that is, but it looks like Z's. Okay, guys, I get 2 books from the Romance Reveal book box. I think that was all the little trinkets. So this month, I got Rumor Going Around by Samantha Lind. Never heard of it. The sun is weird because there's plants behind the sun. But it says, when rumors start circling, do you walk the other way or give them something to talk about? It sounds like a friends to lovers situation, I think. And then I also got All the Wrong Choices by C.A. Harms. And this is, being left at the altar on your wedding day is devastating. Ooh, I like those kinds of books. That's what I got in my Romance Reveal book box. It's really random, the books I get. Like last month I got It Happens One Summer by Tessa Bailey. Like sometimes there's really known books, and then sometimes, I mean, I'm sure people know who these authors are, but I don't. But that's fine. I like finding new things to read, and I'm going to put this little chapstick on my desk so I can use it all the time. So that is all I have for you in this video. I know it was kind of like a random vlog, but I always like to throw in the book situations in these vlogs. And please let me know if you've read any of the books I just mentioned down in the comments below. I'd love to hear if you've heard of the 2 Romance Reveal book box books that I got, because those are kind of random to me, but that's okay. I am excited to see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and go follow me on Instagram if you are interested in any like video tips. I'm going to try to keep posting over there. Social media is like a hard one for me because it's like, it's a lot of work, you know? I'm sure you understand. This pen is like broken. I'm gonna ignore that. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will talk to you in the next video. I almost said in the next book. Bye!